And good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag Network Community Hub in sunny Cheshire. The only problem is, it's raining. What's going on? Today's definitely not a shorts day. Oh dear, yeah. A bit grim this morning, but never mind, hey ho. That's the way the cherry flops, but make the best of a bad situation. So, what we got going on today? Bill's coming over. We're going to do a little bit of diag on Thunderbird 5. We've got to diagnose whether it's the wheel bearing gone or an ABS sensor. Got a bit of a rattle on Thunderbird 2 as well, and that's about it. Oh, we got a PayGo coming in with an additive fault. That'll be good. Morning, Martin. Morning, Josh. Yeah, we've got yet another PayGo coming in. Not a problem. We can soon get through that, but it's had a new tank and all that, and it's still not working. So we've got to have a look at that. Morning, Tony. Morning, Kevin. So yeah, nice, easy start to the week. I don't normally tend to do hectic Mondays. I look at it as easing into the week gently. So yeah, we got 2 awesome ride-alongs this week, Tuesday and Thursday, I think it is. Or it might be Wednesday and Friday, not sure. I guess I better have a look at my diary. But yeah, it's going to be an awesome week. Morning, Trevor. Morning, Stephen. Morning, Jack. Morning, anybody else who I've missed who said good morning. Chat's going thick and fast there. Morning, Martin. Morning, Alan. You're all up and at it. Brilliant. So, sat in a VIP corner. Give you a little bit of a tour of things we've changed around in the workshop over the weekend. And yeah, I'm just having my first brew. I'm late today. I'm very, very late today, but that's okay. It's fine. So yeah, every day above the dirt is a bonus, as they say. But you know what? I've got a feeling about this week. I really have. I've got a feeling about this week. Yeah. I don't know. There's something about it. So as you all know, morning, Richard. Normally trade only, but I'm not really seeing the variety of faults that I used to get, you know, for my case studies and stuff like that. And I'm a little bit tired of just fixing auction cars, you know, things that come in with big expensive repairs. So, no, I'm thinking about opening my diary up again now to selective public customers. Just purely for the variety of jobs more than anything. So we'll see. We'll have a think on that this week. It's not an easy decision to make, that, because my life at the minute is pretty stress-free. Like that. But maybe we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah. But this week, I've got a funny feeling about this week. I think we're going to have a good week, and I hope you do too. So, without further ado, no Monday blues. It's not allowed. Big smile. Don't forget, you're awesome. It's a week full of possibilities. And if it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday or the weekend and I missed it, happy birthday for the weekend. If it's your birthday tomorrow on Tuesday, happy birthday. Have an awesome day, folks. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.